I'm Phillip. I live in Fairview, Pennsylvania, and I recently had my patio enclosed into a 3-season room. I had thought about it for several years, and I did the research, and I saw where DBC Construction was a 5-star rated company. So I had salesmen come out, and we talked for about 45 minutes, and we just came up with some ideas. And he said, this is what we can do. He said, there's no problems. So then I said, okay, let's do it. I signed the contract. Phillip was the crew foreman, I guess. And they spent the entire week here doing what you see here in the background. And A+. I can't, it's just the quality of the work is over and above. And I was telling Paul, when you have people that come in and they line up all the screws and they make sure everything is aligned, and before they leave the site, it's all picked up, it's all policed, military term. I'm very happy. I would recommend DBC without any reservations.